About a year ago, I thought making money on YouTube was impossible. Everywhere I looked, people were saying you needed expensive equipment, thousands of subscribers, or years of experience before you could earn anything. And honestly, I almost believed them. But then I started studying what successful channels were actually doing. Not what they were saying, what they were doing, and what I discovered completely changed the way I looked at YouTube. Today, there are channels making hundreds, thousands, and sometimes even tens of thousands of dollars per month without showing their face, without expensive cameras, and in many cases without even recording their own voice. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would start a YouTube channel in 2026 if my goal was to make money as fast as possible. And some of these methods might surprise you. When I first started learning about YouTube, I made the same mistake that most beginners make. I spent weeks thinking about logos, channel banners, perfect usernames, the best niche, the perfect microphone, the perfect editing software. Basically everything except actually posting videos. The truth is that none of that matters if you're not creating content. The channels that succeed are usually not the smartest. They're not the most talented. They're simply the ones that publish consistently. And once I realized that, everything became much simpler. If I was starting today, I wouldn't create random content. I would choose a niche where advertisers pay more money. Some of the best niches in 2026 are personal finance, make money, online AI tools, business investing technology, software tutorials. Why? Because companies are willing to spend more money advertising to those audiences. A finance channel can often earn several times more per thousand views than an entertainment channel. That's one reason I like the make money online niche so much. People are actively searching for solutions, and advertisers love that. One thing that's completely changed YouTube is AI. Today, you can use AI to help with video ideas, research scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, editing. Now, that doesn't mean AI replaces creativity. It doesn't. But it allows one person to do the work that previously required an entire team. For example, when I need video ideas, I use AI to brainstorm topics. When I need a script, AI helps me create a first draft. Then I edit it and make it sound natural. This saves hours every week. And time is one of the most valuable resources when building a channel. Most beginners think views come from good videos, but views actually start with clicks. Nobody can watch your video if they never click on it. That's why titles and thumbnails are so important. Before I create any video, I ask myself, would I click this? If the answer is no, I change it. Sometimes a great thumbnail can outperform a better video with a weak thumbnail. That's just how YouTube works. So spend time improving your titles and thumbnails. They're often more important than people realize. Here's something many new creators don't understand. You don't need to wait for YouTube monetization to make money. You can earn through affiliate marketing, digital products, freelance services, sponsorships, consulting. In fact, many creators make their first money long before YouTube starts paying them. For example, if you create videos about AI tools, you can recommend software through affiliate links. If somebody signs up through your link, you earn a commission. That's how many small channels generate income even with a modest audience. Here's something many new creators don't understand. You don't need to wait for YouTube monetization to make money. You can earn through affiliate marketing, digital products, freelance services, sponsorships, consulting. In fact, many creators make their first money long before YouTube starts paying them. For example, if you create videos about AI tools, you can recommend software through affiliate links. If somebody signs up through your link, you earn a commission. That's how many small channels generate income even with a modest audience. If I had to start over in 2026, I would keep things simple. I would choose one niche, post consistently, use AI to work faster, focus on great thumbnails, learn basic marketing, and stay patient. Because YouTube isn't a lottery, it's a skill. And like any skill, the people who keep practicing usually win. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment never comes. Start with what you have. Improve as you go. In 6 months from now, you'll be glad you started today. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Hustle Academy for more content about making money online, AI tools, and building income streams in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.